Excellencies, ambassadors and high commissioners on the dais, off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are celebrating Assam's success and also celebrating Assam's future. But Assam future is also linked with the India's future because we want to be one of the leading states in our republic. We do not want to be a dependent state. We want to be a contributory state for the development, in the development journey of our country. We want to grow so that we can positively contribute towards the growth of our country. So far in last 75 years, we remain dependent because of several reasons. But now, since 2014, things have changed. Now we can dream big and we will dream big. Today's Advantage Assam 2.0 symbolize our determination. Today morning we have been blessed by the presence of Honorable Prime Minister. We have witnessed his extraordinary commitment for the development of Assam, for the development of Northeast. When, as a Prime Minister of India, he start encouraging investors of our country to invest in our state, it reflects how much he is committed for the development of this region. Honorable Prime Minister always encourages us to engage with various countries and various missions so that we can immensely benefited by economic cooperation. For the first time in the history of Assam, the nation's External Affairs Minister has led such a strong delegation to the investment summit of a state. This is indeed a huge recognition for the state of Assam. Dr. Jaishankar, who is a friend of Assam, he has taken time out of his busy schedule and he has personally led this delegation. This is a great honor for the people of Assam and we will always cherish this moment in our journey for the development. Moi Asomor Mukhyamantri hisabe Dr. Jaishankar Dangoriyak বহুত কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছো। স্বাধীনতাৰ ৭৫ বছৰ পিছত অসমে কেতিয়াও বিগত বছৰসমূহত এনেকুৱা সুন্দৰ আৰু সোণোৱালী দিন দেখা নাছিল, যিটো দিনত ভাৰতৰ বৈদেশিক পৰিক্ৰমা দপ্তৰৰ মন্ত্ৰীগৰাকীয়ে নিজে লগত ৬২খন ৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ ৰাষ্ট্ৰদূত আৰু উচ্চায়ুক্তক লৈ ৩ দিনকৈ অসমলৈ ভ্ৰমণ কৰিবলৈ অহা। এয়া এক অদ্ভুত দৃশ্য। এয়া এক ভৱিষ্যতৰ সোণোৱালী সপোন বাস্তৱত ৰূপায়ণ কৰাৰ এক নতুন দিনৰ সপোন বাস্তৱত ৰূপায়ণ হোৱাৰ সংকল্প। মই কৃতজ্ঞ অসমবাসীৰ হৈ প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু বৈদেশিক পৰিক্ৰমা মন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ এছ জয়শংকৰ ডাঙৰীয়াক আকৌ এবাৰ কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছো, অভিনন্দন জনাইছো। On behalf of the people of Assam, I would like to welcome the Excellencies Ambassador and Head of Missions for taking out of your busy schedule and visit us during the Advantage Assam Summit period. I have had the opportunity of interacting with few of ambassadors and high commissioner during this period, and I am sure those discussions will take us further and we will continue to have the bilateral discussion as per the advice of our External Affairs Minister. We will carry forward our discussion. Once again, I'd like to welcome all of you. Today is a very, this session, Act Fast and Act Fast is a very important session. We will all listen to the address which will be soon delivered by Dr. Jaishankar. Again, once again, I'd like to welcome all of you, and I am sure that this will be momentous occasion in our history. My only dream is to see that Assam become a contributory state in India's growth journey. We should not go with a begging bowl to Delhi. We should give back to India, and we will together develop India, a Viksit Bharat, a Viksit Assam by 2047. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, Jaya Ahom.